Hey you guys, so this is just a quick update on AI Collective. It is the last day of the launch. As you can see, I am right on the sales page of AI Collective, and the price is going up as of now in 6 hours, in just under 7 hours. Okay, this is a great tool to have. You'll have two options here, the front end and the bundle deal, which is quite affordable. Normally bundle deals are around 300, 330, 50, 270, 80, 90, something like that, but this one is under 200 bucks. Okay, and why am I shooting this video? Well, because not only will the price go up, okay, you will also lose the reseller licenses that so with the bundle deal you can resell 70 copies of this product, and this is the software. So I did review this product. This is my review. I'm showing you the review now, and I believe I totally forgot to mention the bonuses I have for you if you pick up this product via the link below my review. These are the bonuses, epic bonuses, okay? I give you actually reseller license to VideoBox. It's a easy to use video conversion tool, helps you create perfect videos for social media by quickly resizing any video to perfect size for every social media network. And the other bonus I give you is the white label license to WP's Saucy Vlog, it's called. This training shows you step by step how to start a profitable Instagram page from scratch and grow it to a monetization level. Alright, so these are the bonuses I also give you if you pick up this tool via the link below my review, and today is the day to pick it up if you haven't done so yet. Okay, watch my review for more information about this product if you haven't done so yet. And yeah, I just want to remind you quickly that you're getting under one roof, one-time payment, access to around 50 AI tools to do with both text and image generation. So chat and image. So you can cancel your subscription with ChatGPT, Gemini, Midjourney, or whatever you've been using so far. Okay, it's an amazing tool. There's so many AIs you get access here to. As you can see, it is run on credits, but you get plenty of credits. Plus, I really recommend you the bundle deal because the limits will be removed. And here it shows you how many credits you will be charged. Sometimes it's 1 credit, sometimes it's 27. 27, is it 20, sorry, 24, 1, 12, depending on which AI you use. And you see all of those advanced AI, like Llama. What was the other one called? That's pretty cool. Is it Claude? Something like that. I really like that one too. And plus you get the image generating tools as well, okay? So I was playing up with this, all sorts of tools here. I do show you in my review how I use it. It really creates everything in a flash. Alright, loving it. It's by Todd Gross and Cyril Gupta. Very good software developer. This is the guy I'm talking about. Where is his face? 1 second, I hope I'm gonna find him, but I may not, because it's like with the sales pages, they're long, and if you're scrolling through it fast, you miss stuff. Okay, never mind. Guys, check it out. It's an amazing tool to have. It will save you on monthly subscriptions on ChatGPT. There's all sorts of AI tools, okay? And you will again have them under one roof. So it's actually the tool to have these days. AI is needed in a sense that it speeds up it saves on labor, saves you a lot of time, and yeah, it can help you with ideas as well. You can always ask AI to give you ideas on this and that. Okay, it's not, don't use it as a means to switch off your thinking. But this is the thing with AI. It will be useless to you unless you know what prompt to give it to it, right? So the output will depend on the input. Alright, so grab that link below my review, and remember the price will be going up in a few hours, and also the 70 reseller rights from the bundle deal will be removed. So now is the time to take action. Alright, ciao guys, see you very soon. Bye bye.